Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Today we will see next topic, sets and functions. Let us see some definitions. First, consider definition of Cartesian products of sets. Definition is Cartesian product of sets can be defined as let A and B be two non-empty sets, then the set of all order pairs in bracket x comma y bracket complete where x belongs to A and y belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of sets A and B. That means A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all order pairs x comma y where x belongs to A and y belongs to B is called Cartesian product of two sets A and B. It is denoted by A cross B, that is Cartesian product of sets A and B is denoted as A cross B. Thus, A cross B equal to set in bracket x comma y bracket complete such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B bracket complete. For example, consider if A equal to set 4 comma 5 and B equal to set A comma B comma C bracket complete, then A cross B equal to set first order pair is 4 comma A, 4 comma second order pair is 4 comma B, third order pair is 4 comma C. Next set is 5 comma A, next set is 5 comma B, comma 5 comma C is last set bracket complete. Here A has 2 elements and B has 3 elements. Hence A cross B has 6 which is equal to 2 into 3 elements. Thus in general if A has m elements and B has n elements, then A cross B has mn elements. The Cartesian product of set with itself can also be considered as, consider set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then A cross A equal to set, first set is 1, 1, second set is 1, 2, third set is 1, 3, fourth set is 1, 4, 2, next set is 2, 1, in bracket 2, 2, bracket complete, next set is 2, 3, next set is 2, 4, next set is 3, 1, next set is 3, 2, next set is 3, 3, next set is 3, 4, next set is 4, 1, next set is 4, 2, next set is 4, 3, last set is 4, 4 bracket complete. R is the set of all real numbers. R cross R gives the set of all order pairs of real numbers. Thus R cross R equal to set of all order pairs x comma y such that x comma y belongs to R. Now consider the definition of relation. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then a relation R from a set A to a set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Thus, R is a relation from A to B if and only if R is subset of A cross B. If order pair XY belongs to R, then we see that X is R related to Y. If order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B, but order pair x comma y does not belongs to R, then x is not related to y, that is x are slash y, it is denoted in this manner. Now we consider definition of domain and range of a relation. Let R be a relation from set A to set B, then the set of all first components of order pairs belonging to R is called the domain of R, and the set of all second components of the order pairs in R is called the range of R. Thus, domain of R equal to set A such that order pair AB belongs to R. That means domain of R contains the first element of the set. And range of R, it is defined as set in set B such that order pair AB belongs to R. That means range of R contains the second component of order pairs, and domain of R contains the first component of order pairs. Now we consider relation on a set. Let A be a non-empty set, then a relation from a set A to itself, that is subset of A cross A, is called a relation on this set A. That means A is any non-empty set, then a relation from a set A into itself, which is subset of A cross A, is called a relation on set A. Now we consider some examples. Let A equal to set 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 bracket complete, and B equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let R be the relation which is given by set of order pairs 4, 1, 8, 5, 12, 2, 16, 3 bracket complete. Then R is a relation from A to B. Here domain of R, we have defined domain of R as first component of order pairs. So that domain of R equal to set 4, 8, 12, 16 bracket complete. And range of R, we have defined range of R as second component of order pairs. So that range of R equal to set 1, 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 5. These are second component of order pairs. It is denoted by range of R. Now we consider next example. Let A equal to set A, B, C, and R is the relation given by set order pair A, 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 B, B, A, B, C bracket complete. Then R is subset of A cross A, since relation is a subset of A cross A. R is a relation on the set A. Now we consider inverse relation. Let A and B be two sets and R be a relation from set A to a set B. Then the inverse of R is denoted by R inverse and it's a relation from B to A, and it's defined by R inverse equal to set of order pair B, A such that order pair A, B belongs to R. Clearly, domain of R equal to range of R inverse, and range of R equal to domain of R inverse. Since inverse relation is let A and B are two sets, then inverse relation from set A to B, it is defined as R inverse equal to set of all order pair B comma A such that order pair A comma B belongs to R. That means domain of R, if domain of R, we know that domain of R contains first element of R order pair and range of R contains second element of order pair. But domain of R equal to range of R inverse. That means domain of R inverse equal to B, that is second component of order pair, and range of R inverse equal to A equal to first component of relation, which is domain of R. That means we can consider one example. Determine the domain and range of the relation defined by, first is relation R is defined as set in order pairs x plus 1 comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to set 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 bracket complete and whole bracket complete. And second result we have to prove is R equal to set of all order pairs x comma y such that x is a prime number less than 10 bracket complete and y equal to x cube. Now consider the solution of first result. Consider the relation given by R is equal to set of all order pairs x plus 1 comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to set 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 bracket complete whole bracket complete equal to x plus 1, that means 0 plus 1 is 1, and second component is x plus 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, so that first order pair is 1 comma 5 comma second order pair is, consider next element after 0, that is 1, and x plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 is 2, and second component is x plus 5, that is 1 plus 5 is 6, so that second order pair is 2 comma 6. Similarly, the other order pairs are exist, so that R equal to set of all order pairs 1 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 4 comma 8, 5 comma 9, and last order pair is 6 comma 10 bracket complete. Here domain of R, you know that domain of R contains first element of order pair, so that domain of R equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 bracket complete, and range of R which is equal to second component of order pair which is equal to set 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Thus we have calculated domain and range of given result. Now we consider solution of second result. Here relation is given as R equal to set of all order pairs x y such that x is a prime number less than 10 bracket complete and y equal to x cube is the condition, which is equal to, that is R equal to set of order pairs x comma x cube, since y equal to x cube, set of all order pairs x comma x cube such that x belongs to set 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, since elements x must be, x is prime and less than 10, so that we get set x belongs to elements 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 up to 7 bracket complete and whole bracket complete equal to set x is prime, so that x is, consider first element 2 comma second element is x cube, 2 cube is 8, first order pair is 2 comma 8 comma second order pair, consider x as second element, that is 3 comma x cube, that is 27. So that second order pair is 3 comma 27 comma. Now consider x belongs to third element of set, that is x is 5. So that third order pair is 5 comma 5 cube, that is 125, bracket complete. So that third order pair is 5 comma 125 and last element is 7 comma 7 cube is 343, bracket complete. Here domain of R equal to first element of order pairs, that is equal to set 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, bracket complete. And range of R means second component of order pairs, which is equal to set 8 comma 27 comma 125 comma 343, bracket complete. Thus, given any relation, we can find the domain and range of that set. Here we have calculated domain and range of two results. Thank you.